Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video is for you who cannot controlling your time whenever you're playing with Instagram. And through this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the day limits for your Instagram so that you can manage your time in playing your social media. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application. To activate the day limit, you just need to visit your profile section. In this profile section, you just need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be like 3 straight lines there, so you just need to go click it. And after that, you just need to go visit the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you just need to go focus on how you use Instagram. To activate the day limit, go visit the time spent. And here you will see like how long that you have been using the Instagram lately. And to activate the day limit, just go click this day limit. Click this part, and you just need to pick like how long that you want to activate the duration that you playing with Instagram. So let's say you want to set for 30 minutes, so you only have 30 minutes for playing in the Instagram, and after that you just need to go click turn on. So whenever you open your Instagram for 30 minutes, your Instagram will be automatically closed because the time is already limit. So that's the way guys how to activate the daily limit for your Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so I'll see you for the next tutorial.